What's good? So today, technically I was supposed to trade today, but I couldn't find any good entry points, bro. Like, look at the price action right now. Anyways, so this week we have there's some news tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. IST, which is 30 minutes into the market open. For me, the US markets open at 7. So, you'll be not trading tomorrow for the first 30 minutes of market open. And then on Wednesday, we have ADP, which is pre-market, and PMI, which is 30 minutes into the 30 minutes into the market open. So again, Tuesday and Wednesday, we are not trading for the first 30 minutes. What's next? Friday, hell no. We are not trading this Friday, which is 3rd of October. We are not trading on this Friday. Like, look at the high impact news, bro. Like JPY, okay, understandable, but I trade USD, like S&P, SPY, QQQ. So these are the three high impact news coming in, and uh, it is 1 hour before the market opens. Let's see. Probably because I've seen on Fridays there's not much of a move usually because it's almost the end of the week and nobody wants to take a trade. I mean, some people will, but I usually don't. And there's also PMI again. Oh, services PMI. Okay. Yeah, so probably this week, today I should have been trading, but again, I did not find any good entry points. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna do my work and just have the charts open here. If I see something, I'll definitely make a video about it. And if I take a trade, I'll post a post trade recap or whatever that is after I take the trade. That's obviously. Um, anyway, so my usual thing is like the first 90 minutes of the market is when I usually want to take a trade. QQQ did show a good move, but bro, honestly, I should have taken a trade here. Like, look at this break of structure to the upside. Then we have a fair value gap right here. Honestly, nah, nah. Because even if like this fair value gap was never tapped in, yeah, it was never tapped in, and I literally cannot see any good entry points. What is this? Order block. Nothing. Just up and then it's consolidating. So no. No trades for SPY either. Like look at this, bro. Like what is the so again there's another thing I called it the pre-market high. It's one of my strategy. Pre-market high, pre-market low. This is like wicked off, so I usually don't consider this. I've seen it's like what do you say? It's just confusion that's here. So I usually don't consider these wicks like the very first wicks of pre-market open as pre-market low or pre-market high. I usually just consider this price action. So this is my high, this is low. It did go below it, but then again it came back up and it's just consolidating right here. So, and yeah, sorry. My thing is that I usually take trades before the first 90 minutes of no, in the first 90 minutes of market open. If not, there should be a move, like a good move, either up or either down, that I look for, and I then trade off of reversal of the move. But again, it's just consolidating. And why it's consolidating is because we have a huge gap up this yeah, for the price action this, like today. Even in the daily, if you see this gap right here, yep. So most orders were filled during the pre-market, and it honestly does not make sense to trade today. Maybe tomorrow I will be just watching out the charts. If I see a good entry point, maybe I'll trade, but I'll mostly not trade today because this is like the all-time highs right here. If you drop down to 4 hour, these are the all-time highs. Look at this. I mean, it did wick out, so there's not much of a gap that's not filled. But yeah, actually, you know what, guys? Let me know if you like this kind of setup. Like, I have two charts open. Also, I'll just like have one chart open, explain, and then do the other chart. So yeah. Mm, yeah, again, 1 hour. See this consolidation right here, bro. Look at this. Yeah, exactly. Like it wicked this fucking where's this gap right here? The gap. What do you even say this, bro? I forgot the name that we call this. But anyways, look at this consolidation, bro. No trade for today. Nope. 15 minutes, same thing. 5 minutes. 15 minutes, bro. Like, look at this. It went all the way up and then boom. It does not make sense, bro. Anyways, no trades for SPY today. QQQ, what we have. So QQQ did make a good move up today. Like this move right here. Where's my brush? Yup. And that move happened without me being in the market, being having an order placed in the market. But anyways, again, yeah. So QQQ had a big gap up today. Like, look at this gap right here. So obviously people are not gonna trade. I mean, there should have been a sell side. What do you say? I mean, the sellers should have been in control here because it gapped up, and then they should be like, "Oh, I'm selling my stock." But it's still going up, and then there's also a gap in the pre-market and the post-market on Friday. So that's the gap I marked out here. This is the 4 hour block, 4 hourly order block. What I think should happen is price should test this gap, like go all the way down here, tap into the order block, and then go up, because my bias is we are on a uptrend on QQQ. Same goes for SPY. We are in an uptrend on SPY. QQQ. Yeah, nothing, no trades today, bro. Like it's been crash. Hell, I'm trying to keep it family friendly, bro, and not using those kind of words, but it's so hard for me to not use those words. Anyways, 15 minutes. This right here is a really strong, what you say, resistance zone. It's not even resistance, just sell side liquidity, because you see this right here. I marked it out today, 15 or 20 minutes into the market open. So these are the levels that I was seeing for QQQ. I don't think today it will cross this 601.69 uh level. But like you see this, they wick these candles, they have wicks over here. So the price does not want to go up. So that just means no trades on QQQ or SPY today. So yeah, that's it for today. I might be trading tomorrow after 30 minutes into the market open. Not before that. No, no, no. Maybe even an hour after the market opens. Because I'll be looking at how price reacts to this news tomorrow. But yeah, that's it for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.